Welcome our viewers to Novel Tutorials. Now, in this class, we'll be looking at mathematics, and our topic today is variation. Now, basically, we have four types of variation. We have the direct variation, we have we have the inverse, we have the joint, and we have the partial. These are the basic types of variation that we have. We have the direct, inverse, joint, and partial variation. Now, the question says the rate of consumption of petrol by a vehicle varies directly, meaning that we are looking at direct variation in this question. As the square of the distance covered, so the rate of the consumption of petrol varies directly as the square of the distance covered. Varies directly as the square. You can denote the distance as x, or you can denote it as d, no problem. Now, before we can start solving, we have to analyze this variation symbol. So you have r is now equals to produce a constant where you are removing the variation sign, and you have k times s raised to power 2, and r is equals to ks squared. Now, if 4 liters of petrol is consumed on a distance of 15 kilometers, so the rate r is now 4 is equals to k times your s is what? 15 raised to power what? 2, and 4 is equals to k times 15 raised to power 2 is 225. 15 raised to power 2 is 225. So we are looking for k. Divide both sides by 225. So you have k is equals to 4 over 225, because there is basically nothing that can divide this. So the question now says, how far would the vehicle go on 9 liters of petrol? Now the question is now asking, how far will the vehicle go? So we are still going back. We just got the value of the constant, which is k, as 4 over 225. Now the question is now asking, how far will the vehicle go? Which means they are looking for the distance. So the rate of the petrol consumption is 9 is equals to your k is 4 over 225 times your s is equals to, is what you are looking for, s raised to power 2. So you have this one as over 1. So you can say 9 over 1 is equals to 4s raised to power 2 all over 225. Now, we now cross multiply. You have 4s raised to power 2 is equals to 9 times 225. Now, what would 9 times 225 give us? 9 times 225. 9 times 225 is equals to 4s squared is equals to 2025. Now divided by 2025 divided by 4, we'll be having 4s squared is equals to, divided by 4, divided by 4, we'll be having x squared as 2025 divided by 4, we'll be having 506.25. Now the square root of 506.25, what we now have, x is now square root, because when square is crossing equality sign, change it to square root. The square root of 506.25, square root of 506.25, we'll be having square root of 506.25, we're having that x is equals to 22.5. Now the distance is 22.5 kilometers. So this is all about direct variation. They are the easiest type of variation questions to solve. We will still look at inverse, joint, and partial variation in our next classes. Please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.